In this video, we are going to see a quick review of the drug atropine. So let's get started. So what is atropine and what is its mechanism of action? Atropine is a muscarinic receptor antagonist. It binds competitively to the muscarinic receptors and prevents the acetylcholine binding to these receptors. It acts both centrally as well as peripherally. So what are the actions of atropine? Atropine acts on the cardiovascular system, eye, GI tract, and secretions. So now let's talk about the uses of atropine. Atropine is used as an ophthalmic agent. It exerts both mydriatic and cycloplegic effects. Atropine permits the measurement of the refractive error without interference with the accommodative capacity of the eye. Atropine is also used in the cardiovascular system for treating bradycardia of varying etiologies. Atropine is also used as an antispasmodic agent to relax the GIT. In addition to these uses, atropine is also used as an anti-secretory agent. It is used to block the secretions in the upper as well as lower respiratory tract prior to surgery. It is also used as an antidote for cholinergic agonists. It is used for the treatment of organophosphate poisoning and some sort of mushroom poisoning, especially those mushrooms which contain cholinergic substances that block the cholinesterase enzyme. Massive doses of atropine may be required to counteract these poisons over a long period of time. And since atropine can enter the CNS, this action of atropine at the central nervous system is very important in treating the central toxic effects of anticholinesterase agents. Depending on the dose, the adverse effects of atropine includes dry mouth, blurred vision, sandy eyes, tachycardia, urinary retention, constipation. In CNS, it may cause confusion, hallucinations, delirium, which may progress to depression, collapse of the circulatory and respiratory systems, and death. The pharmacokinetics of atropine includes the readily absorption of the drug. It is partially metabolized by the liver and is primarily excreted via urine. The half-life is 4 hours. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe PharmCept. Thank you.